Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Karnar and today's topic is linked hash map in Java and today's date is 17 January 2022. So what is linked hash map in Java? Linked hash map is it's hash table and linked list implementation of the map interface. So we will see about linked list. What is linked list? Linked list is a part of collection framework present in java.util.package. The class is an implementation of linked list data structure, which is linear data structure where the elements are not stored in contiguous memory location, and every element is a separate object with the data part and address part. And next is what is a hash table. Hash table was part of the original java.util and is a concrete implementation of dictionary like hash map. Hash table store key values in a hash table. When using hash table, we specify an object with that is used as a key and value that we want to link with that key. Link hash map now we will say about link hash map. Link hash map can be used to maintain the insertion order on which keys are inserted into map, or it can also be used to maintain an access order on which keys are accessed. Link uh, link link hash map is an defines the iteration ordering, which is normally the order in which keys were inserted into the map, which is an insertion order. Linked lists maintain the order of insertion, so while iterating over its keys, the element are returned in the order they were inserted. Link hash map uses a doubly linked list to maintain the order of insertion. uh, it is a non-synchronization. It can be found in java.util.packages. And link hash map class is just like the hash map with an additional feature of maintaining an insertion order. It can store the data in form of node. Hash map in that hash map used to in that hash map is used. Hash map provides the advantages of quick insertion, search and deletion, but it never maintain the order of insertion which provided by link hash map in Java. Link hash map contain the value based on the key. It implements the map interface and extend the hash map class. It contain only unique elements, and it may have only one null key and multiple null values. It is not synchronized. It is same as hash map but with an additional feature that maintain the insertion order. uh, we implement the link hash map using an extension of hash map class, and it implement the map interface. uh, in that we store the value in form of nodes. The implementation of link hash map is very similar to doubly linked list. Therefore each node of link hash map represented as uh, key values in that hash is an all the input keys are converted into hash, which is a shorter form of the key, so that the search and insertion are faster. This class extend the hash map that data stored in form of uh, key value pair. Therefore this parameter is in the key to store the data. Next is a value. For every key there is a value associated with it. This parameter store the value of keys. Next next and previous means we store the insertion order. This contain the address of next node of link hash map, and previous parameter contain the address previous node of link hash map. The implementation of link hash map is not synchronized. If multiple thread access link hash map concurrently, then it at least one of the hash map one of the thread modifies the map structurally. There are methods in link hash map are add method, get method, and print method. There are other methods like hash map. Next is methods of link hash map. Contains value, return true if the map contain the key to the specified values. Next is get, which specifies the key is map or null if this map contain that value, then we use the get method. Next is key set, return a set view of the key contained in the map. That's all about today's topic, link hash map in Java. Thank you.